This is a full creek. We haven't built a bridge yet, so we bought this, and it's what, 1,200 pounds per, so it's just awesome. I drive over it with my little tractor and everything all the time. We do have a regular bridge for people, but I was just coming across and thought I'd share with you. Our little creek. Oh, look at, we got little waterfalls. Oh, we've got a little bit of a water issue. Who cares? Who cares? There's bigger things to worry about and other people to worry about with this storm, but I just kind of wanted to show it to you. Here's another pretty good issue here. This here is a runoff. This is not a creek. This is a runoff towards the street up there at the corner, all the way up there, and it goes underneath and around some properties, and it's really a mess. It's something we don't want, but it is what it is. And guys, this is not a creek. This is not active. This is a runoff. Wow. Boy, it is beautiful.